This video is very important for every developer, either it is a beginner or it's a senior level developer or it's a team leader. Nowadays many of the developer is developing the application without knowing the effect on the privacy policy and rules and regulation as per the Play Store and as per the Apple Store. As you know, recently many of the application is getting rejected because of the location permission. And not only that, as a developer we are aware the location permission is required for a specific module or for a specific functionality, but we are not able to explain to the Play Store, we are not able to explain to our user why we are considering the location permission. So in this video I'm going to tell you where you can reduce the rejection of your application. Just see the carefully and understand what can be the best way to reduce the rejection of the mobile application while we are considering the location, either it is background or it is foreground of the location. First of all, you have to make very neat and clean wireframe of asking the location permission. I will show you with a quick demonstration. So now, first of all, if you are asking for the location permission into the mobile application, you have to understand for which functionality this location permission is required. Here I'm taking the example of the food delivery application where we are asking for the location from the user while they are trying to find the nearest store. So first, user will come into the mobile application. They will see the splash screen. After splash screen, definitely they will log in into the application. Once they log in into the application, definitely we have to show the dashboard screen. And for showing the dashboard screen, the nearest store, we require the location permission from the user. Now here is a quick tough scenario. First, before asking the location, you have to tell to user why you require the location permission. As in this example I have shown, we use your location to the nearest to show the nearest store, offer and faster delivery option around you. Your location help us personalize your experience and save your time. We never track you in the background. We don't share your location with anyone. Allow location help us serve you better. So here we have to give two options. Now we cannot restrict to our user. We cannot restrict their decision. We have to respect their decision. This is the policy of Play Store and Apple Store. We cannot restrict them. So for example, if user click on skip, then again we have to show them, are you sure you want to skip the location? Without location access, you won't able to see your nearby store, get local deals and offers, enjoy location based service. You can always enable it later from the setting. Here again we have to give two buttons, that is skip anyway or continue button. And this is the phenomena for seen in Android application and in iOS application. For example, if user click on continue, then definitely you have to ask the location permission as usual with the default pop-up of the location in Android and iOS both. If user click on skip anyway, then in dashboard screen itself you have to show turn it on to find a store near you and get local deals. For other things you have to show, or something you need to show like we are not able to find your location, please select the location, where you need to give the manual location selection to the user. Okay, then second, if user permanently deny the location, here you need to show location access has been denied. Enable location from setting to see the nearby store and offers, and other functionality will remain same, like he can update the profile, he can see the complete statement of the orders, everything he will able to access apart from nearby store. So it's very simple, but you have to understand the flow. You have to keep in your mind that you do not have to restrict to user for any of the functionality. If he want to or she want to utilize that functionality, and for that functionality you require the location, there only you have to ask, hey, please allow the location before using this functionality. Okay, so this is how you can reduce the lots of rejection. If you required any of the consultation on this, I have dropped the link of my appointment into the description box. Please feel free to connect me. I will help you, I will guide you, and I will test your application as per the Play Store policy. Thank you so much. Have a great time.